In this video, let's talk about how to open First Bank Nigeria online account. Now, in order to open an account online of First Bank, make sure you download the application of First Mobile onto your device. And once the app has been downloaded, simply tap on Get Started. And the first option you'll be able to see is the option of Open an Account. Now, before you get started, make sure you have an active mobile number with you, which is a Nigerian number, as well as the BVN or NIN ID as well. So you need to provide your ID and simply tap on the continue option. The first thing it is going to ask you to enter in the phone number and then simply tap on continue. This way a OTP is going to be sent to the mobile number that you just added in, and in the next step it is going to ask you to fill in or complete the KYC, which is know your customer, which includes adding in your personal details as well as submitting a valid identification number as it was just mentioned right here. So once you complete all of these steps, your account of First Bank of Nigeria should be easily created. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.